You're saying you came home from work and there were whales here? Whales? Caitlin brought home whales? How are we going to get them in the water?
I don't know.
Will they fit in the van? Okay, where are they now?
In the pool. I think we're gonna have to get a helicopter.
Get a helicopter and lift the whales out of the pool. Won't they get dry?
No, because we only live 2 miles away from the sound as the helicopter flies.
You think you can get a Boeing discount?
Boeing does not have helicopters.
What kind of whales are they?
Orcas, duh.
So Caitlin brought home orcas without telling us?
Yeah, she doesn't tell us anything anymore.
Okay. Where is she now?
Probably at Dylan's.
So she left us with these whales. How many whales?
2 of them. John, can you just look out the window?
So we have 2 whales in the front or backyard?
In the backyard in the pool.
Pretty big pool, isn't it?
Not anymore.
Why is it shrinking?
Well, it's still with whales.
We have 2 orcas in a swimming pool.
And you know what? She is cleaning up the poop. I am not cleaning that up.
A lot of poop, huh? Pretty big sifter, I guess, huh? What are we gonna feed them?
Salmon.
Wait, just like buy what, 100 pounds of salmon?
Apparently.
Apparently. You know how much money that costs? Call that kid and tell
What?
him.
To your stepdaughter.
Do I?
What to your daughter, John? This is what happens. You go all the time. You're gone to the foosball all the time.
Okay, wait. I have nothing to do with it. You have nothing to do with it.
What happens is always your answer. And now we have whales.
And now we have whale. I love you, Don. What kind of sound do they make?
They don't bake salmon.
No, the orcas. Are they out there making sounds? Are the neighbors going to get upset?
Really? We have parrots.
So the orcas will be fine. Nobody will notice the orcas because we have parrots. Is that what you're saying?
Duh.
Duh. I hope these are baby orcas. I don't know much about how big orcas are, but how big is our pool?
That big.
That big, huh? Don't you think you need quite a large pool for some orchids?
Dawn, it's that big.
I love you, Dawn. I don't know what we're gonna do. We can't feed orchids. And how the pool's leaking. How much to rent a helicopter? Maybe we could get a boat. Oh, that's just great. Couple of orchids in the backyard. All killed.